Okay guys, you are welcome once again to Official Sounds YouTube channel. And today, without wasting much time, we are going to be talking about how to make Nigerian Afrobeat with guitar melodies. Alright, let's get down to business. Let me pick one of my kick. Yep. First thing you need to consider when making an Afrobeat, especially the Nigerian type, you need to consider the kind of kick you're using. How you play your kick matters. So I'm gonna name this particular playlist, this pattern, melodies. Yep. Melodies. And the next one where I'm gonna be playing my kick and my instrumental and other, I'll name that drum line. Okay. After this, what next? Maybe a snare or a stick or anything that will, bring the vibe of the Afrobeat that we're talking about. I like this guy. All right. Okay. What else can we bring in? I love shakers, so let me pick up this shaker, and I think I have another shaker. Yeah, and I like lots of shakers. Okay, I will need to use this later, but I like this shaker too. Let me do the normal thing that I'm supposed to do, just so you can see and understand how it goes. Most times when you listen to Afrobeat and you hear the wideness of the shakers playing left and right and center at the same time, it's not just one shaker that does the job. There are different kind of shakers. We can use maracas, we can use shekere, or anyone, understand, depending on the kind of feeling you want to get. You are the music creator. You can just choose to do your thing the way you want to do it. Just know how to defend your work. At the end of the day, let the output be nice and people will love it. Let me bring in maybe a conga or something. No, no, let me bring in a conga. A conga. Let me look for a conga. Yeah, where can I find that? All right. I might want to use something like this just to. I don't like confusions. Alright. Let's get a bass line. Let me look for something that won't have to drag the system. give a very simple bass line, you know, so that it can give me the kind of groove I want. Just simple bass line, nothing. What on earth do you want that you can't get to? Okay. Um, Alright, for the sake of what just happened, in our next video I will show you guys how to deal with the CPU overload and all that. So let's stop here for now. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.